Now we will be dealing with what is the moment of force, give unit of moment of force, etc. Okay, so you just go through the pages as I read. From the above examples, it is clear that the turning effect of force of the body depends on magnitude of the force and the perpendicular distance of force from the pivotal point. The product of the two factors is called the moment of force. What is the product of force and perpendicular distance is called the moment of force. So a moment of force is given by the product of the magnitude of the force F, and the perpendicular distance R of the applied force F from the axis of rotation. So here it is a picture given. It is the pivotal point. It is the force F and the R is the distance from the pivotal point. So force is equals to F into R, which is equals to F into Pn. You see, but Pn equals to R. So F is equal to force into R. So let a rigid body be pivoted at a point P. Applied force F does not result into linear motion of the body in the direction of force F, but the force rotates or turns the body because the body is free to rotate about the pivotal point. So when a force is applied this direction, if the force is applied on this direction, the body moves this way. Okay, so this way, if the force is applied from here, the force is applied and the body rotates in the pivotal point. So force is applied from here and the body rotates. Okay, hence perpendicular distance of the force F from the pivotal point P is equals to Pn is the perpendicular distance. So moment of force about the point P is moment is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Force is F into perpendicular distance is Pn, but Pn is also equals to R. So F is equals to moment of force is equals to F into R. The maximum turning effect of the force, it is applied on a body at the point for which the perpendicular distance of the force from the pivot is maximum. So for maximum turning effect of force, the distance of the force from the pivot should be maximum. So since they are directly proportional, in order to get maximum benefit, the pivot, the force applied or this, you see, it is a maximum on the body at a point for which the perpendicular distance of the force from the pivot is maximum. When perpendicular distance is more, the force or the magnitude of the force will be maximum because force into this perpendicular distance. If perpendicular distance R is more, then F into R will be a greater value. That means moment of force is more. Unit of moment of force. Unit of force is Newton and unit of distance is force is Newton and Pn is the distance. Distance is measured in meters or centimeters. So SI unit is Newton meter. Okay. In CGS, unit moment of force is dyne into cm. In the case of gravitational force in CGS, the system of unit is GF, C centimeters or kilogram, KGF in SI system. So here what is GF and all is the kilogram force. KGF means kilogram force. KGF is equals to kilogram force. Here KGF kilogram force meter. Okay, Newton is kilogram force and M is meter. So these values you have to by heart. 1 Newton meter is equal to 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter and 1 kilogram force meter equals to 9.8 Newton meter, and 1 gram force centimeter. This is kilogram force meter. This is gram force centimeter is 989 centimeters. 9.8. This when it is in kilogram it is 9.8. When it is in gram, 9 multiply into 100. Okay, so 989 centimeters.